Valley's leading news program with Jamie Apodi, meteorologist Cecily Tynan, Rick Williams, and Monica Malpass.
Health Check tonight will explain the science behind holiday heart syndrome and how you can tweak your diet to protect yourself from it. Health Check tonight. Tasty temptations are everywhere during the holiday season, but too much food, sweets, and alcohol can do more than just wreck your diet. It can also lead to holiday heart syndrome. Family genetics handed Dan Orr his share of heart disease. Over 20 years, he's had an irregular heart rhythm called atrial fibrillation, needed multiple stents for blockages, and last year, just before Thanksgiving, had a heart attack. Because of that, he's diligent about medication and a healthy lifestyle.
I work out, 4 or 5 days a week, and then I watch my diet.
However, this time of year is tough.
With all the homemade cookies and cakes and, the alcohol and everything else, it's, it is a challenge.
Dr. Brett Victor of Cardiology Consultants of Philadelphia says too much overindulgence can lead to a syndrome dubbed holiday heart in the 1970s.
A doctor that noticed after the holidays more patients would end up in the ER.
Alcohol, especially in big amounts, or if you don't normally drink, is usually the trigger.
The more they drink, the more likely it is that they'll have a recurrence or a new onset of atrial fibrillation or another heart rhythm problem.
But the stress of busy schedules or days of extra rich foods can contribute. Dan says he doesn't pass up every treat, but he's selective and savors those special moments.
They always tell us, it's one day, it's not every day.
And keep moving, whether it's home or away, says Dr. Victor. Don't completely abandon your exercise and medication regimens.
Don't get totally derailed. We don't want them to have to spend 3 months making up for a couple days of overindulgence.
Dr. Victor reminds patients who are traveling to make sure they take enough medication with them as well, also to stick to the schedule and, again, work out or exercise into the day.